Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and expert coaching with guaranteed success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
We are going to now we are going to start with the 10th practical problem. See, from the following receipts and payments account of KBP Engineering College Nashik for the year ended 31st March 2019 and additional information, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as on that date. Now receipts and payments. See, to balance brought down cash in hand 18,000, cash at bank 1,400,000, to interest 55,000, subscription 28,300, to life membership fees 25,000, to donations 7,000, to tuition fees 12,30,000, to term fees 2,800,000, to sundry receipts 8,000, to admission fee into bracket revenue 60,000. Payment side by salaries to teaching staff 11,70,000, by electricity charges 55,000, by books 61,000, by furniture 51,000, by stationery 21,850, by fixed deposit. Date is mentioned on the last date, that is 31st March 2019, 8,50,000. By balance carried down cash in hand 16,650 and cash at banks 2 lakhs. Now additional information is given and particulars. Opening date, that is 1st April 2018 and closing date 31st March 2019 is given. Now books are assets for that engineering colleges. The book opening value was 6 lakhs. Okay, and the closing value is also 6 lakhs. Furniture, see how much. Opening value 3,19,000 and the closing value is 3 lakhs. Building fund is a liability. Okay, wherever the word fund exists, it will be a liability. So we are going to write on the liability side 10 lakhs. Then fixed deposit, it is an asset, 9,10,000. Then capital fund 9,47,800. Then again another additional informations are given. Number 1, 50% of the donations are for building funds and the balance is to be treated as revenue income. See, donations are of 7 lakhs. Out of that 50%, that means 3,90,000 are to be taken to building firm, are to be transferred to building fund. Okay, and the rest 3,50,000 will be treated as revenue income. Second, outstanding subscription is 5,300 and life membership fees are to be capitalized. Now we will do the sum. Parallelly we will see the balance sheet as well as the income and expenditure account. Okay, see, in the books of KBP Engineering College, income and expenditure account, expenditure rupees, income rupees. Okay, now see, first we'll see the expenditure side. To salaries to teaching staff, payment side, we have to see the payment side and write the expenditure. So 11,70,000. To electricity charges 55,000. To stationery 21,850. To depreciation, book and furniture. Now I am going to explain you how the depreciation has arrived. Okay, in your given chart, opening balances on books was 6 lakhs. Additional purchase on the payment side, books are written and that are new purchases 61,000. So how much is the total? 6,61,000. and closing balance, that is 31st March 2019 books is given as 6 lakhs. Now if you minus this from this, what you will get? Depreciation you will get. So less depreciation. How much is the depreciation? 61,000. Is it clear? Then only we will get 6 lakhs. Same for furniture. See, furniture opening value as on 1st April 2019 is given 3,19,000. In the payment side, furniture is given to you as 51,000. That means add purchase of furniture 51,000. Total will be how much? 3,70,000. But your closing balance total is given to you as 3 lakhs. Okay, that means the difference between the two is what? Depreciation. 70,000. Okay, this depreciation both we have taken it over here, 61,000 and 70,000 depreciation. Is it understood? Now see, income side, by interest 55,000, by subscription 28,300. But they have said in the adjustment, outstanding subscription amounted to rupees 5,300. So we are going to add. So what will be the amount in the outer column? 33,600. By donations, what they have said for donations? Donations are worth rupees 7 lakhs. 50% are to be capitalized or transferred to where? Building fund. Okay, are added to the building fund. So 3,50,000. So the remaining amount will be 3,50,000, which will be treated as revenue income. Then by tuition fees 12,30,000. By term fees 2,08,000. Then by sundry receipts 8,000. By administrative fees 60,000. See, if you total up all this, this comes to 19,37,400. Okay, 19,37,400. Now minus how much? The total on the debit side will come to 13,77,850. Okay, so minus it from 19,37,400, you'll get the surplus amount. Okay, you are going to get the surplus amount of rupees 5,59,550. See, surplus 5,59,550. Here we have completed the income and expenditure account. Now we'll move on to balance sheet. See, liabilities balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Liabilities rupees, assets rupees. See, capital fund is given to you as 9,47,400. Add surplus. What is the amount of surplus? 5,59,550. If you total up, it will come to 15,06,950. Then life membership fees are to be capitalized. They have said in the adjustment. So we have taken it to the liability side. Now see, building fund, it is a liability. Okay. Whenever the word fund comes, it is a liability. So the amount given, opening amount is given to you as 10 lakhs and closing amount is not given to you. Now out of donations, 50% are to be transferred to building fund. So add a 50% donations, 3,50,000. So total of building fund will be what now? 13,50,000. Here we have completed the liability side. Now on the asset side, see, I have explained you books opening balance was this much. Books are purchased during the year of rupees 61,000. Total will be 6,61,000, and closing books total is given as 6 lakhs. So if you minus this 6,61,000 minus 6 lakhs, the remaining amount will be depreciation during the year, that is 61,000. Same way we had done for furniture also. I have already explained you this. Then fixed deposit. See, 9,10,000 is given to you in the adjustment. Now we have made a new fixed deposit on the last day, made a payment in the bank of fixed deposit worth rupees 8,50,000 on the last date, that is 31st March 2019. So if you total up, it will come to 17,60,000. Outstanding subscription, we have taken it over here. See, 5,300, here also 5,300, and closing cash in hand 16,650, cash at banks 2 lakhs. Now you will have to total up the asset side as well as the liability side. The total on both the sides comes to rupees 28,81,950. Okay, total on both the sides comes to 28,81,950. Here we have completed sum number 10. I have shown you how the depreciation amount has. It was bit tricky sum, so I have explained you all the details. I hope you have understood this sum.